It's been a long, long time
Hey
since I
y'all,
seen somebody
welcome to my
pretty
channel. My name
as
is
you.
Seven, and today we're going to be doing a deep conditioning treatment.
Every time I look, hold up, yeah. Anytime you think, yeah. Take my word, yeah. In my dope,
Okay, so as you can see, my hair is super duper stiff and dry. So I am going to divide my hair into 4 sections.
if you come back with no contact, I might love that so.
And if you guys do notice on the left hand bottom corner of the screen, we do have the artists of the day listed. So if you really enjoy this song, go follow them on Instagram.
Take my word.
As you can see here, I am saturating my subsection with water. The straightening hair mask takes very well to my hair wet, so I am just doing this to make sure that the process of detangling is smooth and easy. Curl check and alrighty, so we're gonna go in with the Tangle Tamer. I did get the Tangle Tamer from Sally's Beauty Supply. It is the dupe of the Tangle Teaser, which you can get from Ulta as well.
Take my words, yes, in my dope, waste my time, roll my smoke, yes, show your friends, they'll be here by four. If you come back with no contact, I might love every time I'm with you, baby, closed off, every time the liquor drink, you throwed off, yeah, this is who you is, I'm thinking, showing off.
My hair is fully detangled here. That strengthening hair mask reverts the stiffness with the quickness, okay?
Come back with no contact, I might love that so.
Alrighty, so my curls are looking nice and juicy like I like them, but it was insanely knotted, so I had to go in with my wide tooth comb to make sure all the kinks were combed out before I went in with my Tangle Tamer. And as you can see, my curls are bomb.com.
Yeah, take my word, yeah, in my dope, waste my time, roll my smoke, yeah, show your friends, they'll be here by four. If you come back with no contact, I might love that so.
In this section here, everything is looking good. It is wonderful, but my arms are killing me, and I'm starting to think about food at this point. Alrighty, so I did go and get me a little snack, and then I finished the back left hand side of my head, and then I'm continuing on to the right hand side.
Take my word, yes, in my dope, waste my time, roll my smoke, yes, show your friends, they'll be here by four. If you come back with no contact, I might love that so. For we, they say love is the thing.
My right side is definitely thicker than my left side, so I do have to be mindful in the detangling process to make them smaller sections so the process is a lot faster and a little easier.
Take my words, in my dope, waste my time, roll my smoke, show your friends, they'll be here by 4. If you come back with no contact, I might love every time I'm with you, baby. Closed off, every time the liquor drink, you throwed off. Yeah, this is who you is, I'm thinking. Showing off. Oh, you better with your clothes on, close up. Might love that, so come back with no contact. I might love that, so no context. If you come back with no contact. I might love that, so no context. If you come back. Every time we look, hold up, yeah. Anytime you baby, yeah. Take my word, in my dope, waste my time, roll my smoke, show your friends.
My front section is perfectly detangled. Curls are popping. They're beautiful, girls. So I am going to twist it up. It did take me a little longer to detangle the front just because I had gel in the front of my hair for a few days, but that's why I saturated with water and put in the mask prior to detangling, so then there's no issues.
Take my word, in my dope, waste my time.
My front is incredibly easy to detangle, so all I have to do is apply a little water, a little product, and it's a smooth sailing ship. Yeah, I am done. So I am going to just apply deep conditioner to my back edges and my adult hairs in the front, and then I'm gonna put on my shower cap and hair bonnet for, you know, deep conditioning with heat for at least 30 minutes.
What's that? You got a Bugatti, it's like orange, it's cute. In GTA, I got a red stallion, a blue, was it a musket? It's cute. Well, if you go on the internet in GTA or whatever, it's in the free cars. Mine was blue, it's cute. What else do I got? Oh yeah, I got this scooter. He blew up my scooter. And I gotta call the GTA insurance claim people to get it back, because he wanted to blow it up because he said it didn't go fast enough. But the other day he said the car was punching, or the scooter was punching. I want my scooter back. Did you do the insurance claim yet? It was free. I can get another one, but don't blow up my car. Like, he has so many cars, but he chooses to blow mine up. That's not fair.
Make sure you share your music with me to be featured on my page. Today's artists of the day are listed on the bottom left-hand corner of my video. That's Nani Vixen and Kwame Kazi from Buffalo, New York. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.